Do this. You will never leave her mind. Must watch. Listen, warriors. Women are different to men. We all know that, and there is no question about it. Women are given their value from birth, based mostly on their looks. On the other hand, men must earn their value based on what they can bring to the people and how well they can provide for those around him. With that being said, it is very obvious to see that women are more emotional than men. Therefore, making an attempt to try to understand the woman's brain and female emotions will be very valuable knowledge for you as men. Making your way into her mind is not as hard as you may think. However, the difficult task is maintaining her interest long-term and remaining in her daily thoughts. Warriors, are you tired of being just another face in the crowd when it comes to the women you're interested in? Are you ready to make a lasting impression and be the one that's always on her mind? Do you want to be the man that stands out from the rest? The man that women can't help but be attracted to? Then listen up, because I'm going to give you the secrets to leaving a lasting impression. Let me ask you, what do you think sets the truly successful man apart from the rest? It's not just good looks or money. It's the way they carry themselves and the way they make women feel. It's the way they set themselves apart and make an impact. And I'm here to teach you exactly how to do that. Rule 1. Be goal-oriented. Women are attracted to men who have a clear sense of direction and purpose in their lives. They want to know that you have ambitions and that you're actively working toward achieving them. This shows maturity and responsibility, and it's incredibly attractive to women. Whether it's career goals, financial goals, or personal goals, making sure you have a clear idea of what you want and let her know about it. Show her that you are working toward your aspirations, and she will find it irresistible. Make sure you have a clear vision of what you want your future to look like, and let her know that you're committed to making it happen. This will show her that you're a man of ambition, a man of purpose, and a man of action. Rule number 2. Be charismatic and high energy. Women are attracted to men who exude confidence and positive energy. They want to be around someone who makes them feel good and brings excitement into their lives. But remember, confidence does not mean being a clown or a fool. Act according to the situation and make her laugh with genuine positivity. And don't be afraid to establish physical contact, non-sexual, early on. Observe her reaction and adjust accordingly. Be someone who is always in a positive mood and make her laugh, who can make her feel good and appreciated. Show her that you're a man who's full of life and energy, a man who can light up the room and bring positivity everywhere you go. Rule number 3. Hygiene and dressing. Women are attracted to men who take care of themselves. They want to see that you're responsible and have your act together. Make sure you're maintaining good hygiene. And when it comes to dressing, evaluate the setting and make sure you're not underdressed or overdressed. Dress to impress. Always be well-groomed and make sure your clothes fit well and are clean. This is the simplest way to show that you care about yourself and that you respect her. Show her that you're a man who takes pride in his appearance and that you're willing to make the effort to look your best. Rule number 4. Be unpredictable. This is the most difficult rule to put into practice, but it's also the one that will make the biggest impact. Being unpredictable removes the sense of entitlement and will make her want to work harder for your attention. Surprise her with little gestures on a special occasion and don't always answer her messages right away. Let her know that you're a man of substance with priorities and things to take care of. Be a mystery. Be a challenge. Always be one step ahead of her. Show her that you're not just another average guy who's going to be at her beck and call. Show her that you're a man of depth and complexity. A man who's not afraid to keep her guessing and always keep her on her toes. Show her that you're a man who's not afraid to take risks and that you're not afraid to be yourself. Show her that you're a man who's not afraid to be different and that you're not afraid to stand out from the crowd. Warriors, if you follow these rules, you'll never be forgotten. Remember, be goal-oriented, be charismatic and high energy, maintain good hygiene and dressing, and be unpredictable. Trust me, you'll leave a lasting impression on the woman you're interested in. So, do you want to just be another face in the crowd? Or do you want to be the one that's always on her mind? The choice is yours. In conclusion, be a man of ambition, a man of charisma, a man of good hygiene, and a man of mystery. Show her that you are a man of substance, a man of priorities, a man of values, and a man of integrity. Show her that you are the one that she wants, that you are the one that she should choose. And remember, always be one step ahead of her and keep her guessing. Keep her on her toes and always leave her wanting more. Show her that you are a man of action, not just words.